The nature of the business that we're in means that we have to have a capacity to make a very broad range of products. Crates might be used for a one-off journey, but they could also be used for a touring show and go around the world for 2, 3, 4 years, and they have to withstand impact of international freight, which is quite considerable, and keep the item in good condition from A to Z. Okay, so my name is Mark Harton. I'm the manager of the packing and case making department here at Momart. The short story is that we put objects into boxes. Items come in and we assess those items, and we make a number of judgments about the best way that we can contain those things, generally for international freight. In the packing department, we have a team of 15 people. We're split up into different disciplines. There are some people whose business is that of fabrication. There are other people with more fine arts background that have got a good understanding of the objects that we're handling. We build all of our crates in-house. I think we're one of the few remaining art handling companies that do that, and that's good in terms of being able to work in a very bespoke way. It allows us to convert details about the objects in terms of accuracy to the millimetre, and that carries right through the workshop journey. So when we're planning cases, we plan them to the millimetre and then they're made to the millimetre.